I bought a truckload of plants that are some shrubs. I bought azaleas and a camellia, and I bought a bunch of winter annuals. So I have some dusty miller, some viola, some lobelia, some pansies, some petunias, and snapdragons. Now, I got these at Dungeon's Nursery on 41 in Land O'Lakes, and that was after I went to another nursery, who shall not be named, who I almost feel like Wild Floridian, where you go to, say, Lowe's or Home Depot, and they're only selling summer plants like impatiens and evolvus and other things that only like the hot weather. And I really needed to get cold weather things, and I went to a couple nurseries, and this is where I found them, at Dungeon's. And he's got a beautiful supply. His plants are always healthy. They don't look like they need to go in the garbage like the other nursery I went to yesterday. And his prices are really, really good. So I highly recommend, if you live in the Land O'Lakes area, visit Dungeon's Nursery. Now, I haven't gone to the ones further south, like Holly's and all those others. I did get a bunch of trees at some of the tree places on that street, 41, which were pretty good, but I could live at Dungeon's. Anyway, this is where we're starting, and I got a whole bunch of alyssum too. The first thing I want to do is clean up this area. I just bought these snapdragons to fill up inside these little cages here, because the dogs kept laying there and smooshing all my plants, so I had to buy a little fencing, and I want to fill these with these snapdragons.